This is for the Hebrewites who try to say you're going to be put into slavery. You're going to be cast into slavery. What does Revelation 13:10 say? But we got to start in the beginning. We got to go back a little bit. Let's go back a little bit, starting in verse 4. Revelation 13. And they worshiped the dragon, for he had given his authority to the beast, and they worshiped the beast, saying, who is like the beast? Who can fight against us? So this is the rise of the beast. This is not trying to do your eschatology. It's important to understand what the context is. And the beast was given a mouth, uttering haughty and blasphemous words, and it was allowed, God's sovereignty is allowing this to happen, to exercise authority for 42 months. The beast is in charge. God's allowing it. It opened its mouth to utter blasphemies against God, blaspheming his name and his dwelling, that is, those who dwell in heaven. Also, it was allowed to make war on the saints and to conquer them. That's the interpretive verse here. And you'll see where I'm going, hopefully, in a second. And authority was given it over every tribe and people and language and nation. That's important, too. So this is global. And all who dwell on earth will worship it, everyone whose name has not been written before the foundation of the world in the book of life of the Lamb who was slain. If anyone has an ear, let him hear. If anyone is to be taken captive, to captivity he goes. If anyone is to be slain with a sword must he be slain. Here is a call for the endurance and faith of the saints. If God has you marked out to be a martyr, you're going to die for the faith. If God has it marked out, you're going to go to prison for him, you're going to go to prison for him. That's what it's saying. I hope it's clear when you look at it. They say, and they'll use the KJV, this is saying if you killed with the sword, you're going to be killed with the sword. If you threw someone in bondage, you're going to be put in bondage. It's a retribution verse. That's how they interpret it. You'll hear Revelation 13:10 constantly, especially by the camps on the street, especially. But that's not what it's saying.